Steve Ramsey.
And I have Jimmy Diresta, the man.
The stuff that Steve Ramsey makes is extra fancy.
All right, that's nice. Jimmy Diresta has a guitar that looks like an AK, like a rifle.
Interesting.
Got that.
Steve Ramsey is not afraid to use color. Step out on a limb.
Isn't that nice? Instead of going to the hospital when he cuts his finger open, he uses super glue, right?
That's tough.
That's how tough
That
it
is tough. Steve Ramsey has projects you can build in one day builds.
Nice. Well, Jimmy Diresta made a sword that's in a cane. Pop out a sword out of your cane.
Yep.
Now that.
That may come in handy. Steve Ramsey has a lot of videos on woodworking basics. I mean, doing the basic stuff, using a table saw, that kind of stuff.
Yeah, if you go for that sort of thing. Jimmy's done quite a few signs for the whiskey companies. Lighted signs, all kinds of signs.
I've seen those.
He's a sign master.
All right. Steve Ramsey, and this is pretty important, he alerted us to the fact that in some countries, dado blades may be illegal.
Yes. Oh yeah, we didn't know that.
Yep, I didn't know
tip.
that either.
Yeah. And Jimmy Diresta does a lot of tips videos.
Yep, similar stuff. A little bit off the topic, but Steve Ramsey does a lot of movie reviews.
Yes.
And I've found that his taste is very similar to mine.
Okay, that ain't woodworking. All right, got one for you. Jimmy Diresta's got a beard.
Yep, I can see why you would like that.
Like all good woodworkers, right? Hat, beard, glasses.
As long as we're talking about that kind of stuff, Steve Ramsey is wiry.
Yeah?
Wiry.
Wiry, all right. Well, Jimmy Diresta's been on YouTube for like 11 years. Doing woodworking like all his life since he's like 2.
11 years. Steve Ramsey, as far as I can tell, looking back to the first video, 10 years on YouTube.
Well, that's not 11, is it? It's 10.
Pretty close.
Jimmy Diresta doesn't take no crap.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, on the other hand, Steve Ramsey gives no crap. He's not the kind of guy that would, cause a hard time for you or be unkind, that kind of thing. Nice guy.
Yeah, I see.
That all you got?
All right.
All right, folks. Who won, me or Jimmy? What I mean is Steve Ramsey or Jimmy Diresta.
Or Jimmy Diresta.
Let us know down in the comments.
I think we know.
Thanks for watching.
Vote your conscience, folks.